Hi guys, Sopwith Camel. Printed this one a couple of nights back and the print failed. It didn't finish printing, so the top layer is missing. That crisscross you can see there is the infill between the top and the bottom layers, but we haven't got the top layer on it. So it ended up too thin. I glued it together to fill in the gaps. So that was a fail. I printed it again, and you may notice I actually enlarged it as well. This print wasn't perfect. There's a little area there where it's lifted as it's been printing, so it's a bit rough on that edge. The rest of it actually looks okay. These very thin bits, they actually printed on that one, and it worked. I thought they were too thin, but they seem to be okay. Anyway, we will clip it out and stick it together. Well, when I say stick it, hopefully it'll clip together without having to stick it. Obviously, there'll be a link in the video description to the Thingiverse files. This is another one of those random items off Thingiverse. I spent a lot of time trying to adjust the settings on this one to get it right, because I've had real trouble with the 3D printer recently. I'm not quite sure why. I've tried various things to try and sort it out. Right, that slides together a little bit tighter than that one did. Not quite sure which is the top and which is the bottom, but I'll take a guess. It's still not really tight. I could probably still put some glue in it to make it better. But we'll try it without first. I should put that on first. Put that on there. Yeah, I probably will still have to put some glue on it. It's tight, but not tight enough. I did notice they didn't bother with a propeller on this one. Yes. Just not tight enough. Oh, gosh. Yeah, gonna have to put some glue on it. Oh, that's annoying. All right, I'll go and get some glue. Dovecraft. clear drying acrylic glue. And there we are. A little bit better than that one. That one went a bit twisty when I glued it and left it to dry. I thought I'd supported it, but obviously not. It's not quite straight. That one definitely looks straighter. Let's just move the camera. Yeah, that one looks okay. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.